Welcome to homework.
Hello students, for this question, mass of the car is given as 900 kilogram and angle of inclination is given as 30 degree. L is given as 3 meter and by trigonometry H will be equal to L sin theta, which is equal to 3 sin 30 degree, which is equal to 1.5 meters, and V is given as 1.5 meters per second. Work done by the truck will be equal to work done against gravity plus change in kinetic energy of the car work done against gravity is given by mgh and change in kinetic energy is given by half mv square. So we have the total work done will be equal to mgh plus half mv square, which is equal to 900 into 10 into 1.5 plus half into 900 into 1.5 the whole square, which is equal to 13,500 plus 1012.5 joules. So the total work done will be equal to 14,512.5 joules. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching this video.